In this video lesson, I will explain to you what is the connection between leverage and lot size, and how leverage affects on the lot size you can use. I will use $100 account balance on the demo account and I will have leverage 1 to 100. I suggest you take a look into main video lesson about leverage, where I explain what is the difference between trading with leverage and trading without leverage. The link to that video is below in description. I have already opened demo account with leverage 1 to 100 and with $100 on it. Let's begin. I will show you an example how leverage affects on the lot size you can use by opening maximum lot size. First, let me explain how much you can control money with leverage 1 to 100 with $100 invested. Leverage 1 to 100 gives you ability to control $10,000 because $100 investment is increased with 1 to 100 leverage. That means you will not see $10,000 on your account balance, where you see now $100, but the broker will allow you to open position large enough to control close to $10,000. What that means? Here is an example. I will use EUR/USD pair and I will try to open sell order. The lot size is defined by you in the empty box where is written volume. Volume is equal to lot size, it is just said differently. I will try to open 1 mini lot, and that is written like 0.1. Before doing that, here is the connection between a lot size and value of a pip. When the price changes by 1 pip, you will make money. To define the value of a pip, you use lot size. Here is a short overview. One standard lot, which is written like 1.00, defines value of a pip equal to $10. One mini lot, which is written like 0.10, defines value of a pip equal to $1. One microlot, which is written like 0.01, defines value of a pip equal to $0.10. Okay, let's open one mini lot where 1 pip value will be equal to $1. When I put 0.1 into the box, on the right side you can see it shows 10,000 euro. That means I want to open order with 10,000 units of euro. To calculate that into dollars, because I have dollars on my trading account, I need to see what is the current price on the chart. Current price is 1.19196, which means if I want to open 10,000 units of euro, I need to have $11,919.6 on my account. I have $100, but with leverage 1 to 100, my broker gives me to control $10,000, which is not enough to open order with $11,919.06. When I try to open new order, I get message I do not have enough money. You see, even I have leverage 1 to 100, I do not have enough money to open that large trade. What I can do now? I can lower volume or lot size to microlot, which is equal to 0.01. One microlot will give pip value equal to $0.10. Well, you see, smaller lot size gives you smaller pip value, which means if you want to make more money, you will need to make more pips. When I enter microlot into the empty box, on the right side it shows 1,000 euro. If I use current price of currency pair, which is equal to 1.19209, I will need $1,192.09 on my account. With leverage 1 to 100, I control $10,000, which is enough to open this order. When I click sell button, my order is open, and I have new row in the window below. Okay, smaller lot size was available to open, but what you can do now is to change lot size. And by that I mean to increase lot size. I have tried to open one mini lot size and I could not open a new order, but I could open one microlot. I will try to open more than one microlot and less than one mini lot, something in between. I will try to open 8 microlots, where volume is equal to 0.08. When I enter this data into new order window, and when I try to open new order, I get message the new order is open. What conclusion you can take from this example? You can see that leverage helps you to control more money than you have invested, With more money to control, you can open larger lot size, which means the value of 1 pip will be higher. Let me show you when you have larger leverage. Let's say leverage 1 to 500. I will leave $100 as account balance, so you can understand where is the connection between lot size and leverage. When I use leverage 1 to 500, that means my broker allows me to control $50,000, because with $100 invested, I have control over 100 multiplied with 500, which gives me 50,000. Let's see what happens when I want to open one mini lot size, which I could not open with leverage 1 to 100. When I open a window for new order, I will enter 0.10 into empty box for volume, which means I want to open order which is equal to 10,000 units of euro. And when I use current price, which is 1.19203, I get $11,920.30. So I want to open new order large as $11,920.30, where I control $50,000. That means I should be able to open this order. Let's see what happens when I click on the sell button. Great, I can open new order with mini lot size. You see, larger leverage allows me to open new order with larger lot size, compared to smaller leverage. This means 1 pip value will be equal to $1. What I can do now is to increase lot size to increase the value of a pip. I will close this order and I will open new one. Now I will set volume to 3 mini lots. I will put 0.3 into volume box and I will click sell button. Now I want to open order which is large as 30,000 euro. When I calculate that into dollars, I get $35,764.50, which is less than maximum I control, and that is $50,000. My new order is open, and I can make more money with 1 pip, because now pip value will be equal to $3, which is 3 times more than with lot size equal to 1 mini lot. You can see that higher leverage allows you to open large lot size, which eventually gives you higher pip value. But one thing you need to have in mind, and that is, with larger lot size, pip value increases, and that means you make more money with each pip, but when the price goes against you, you lose more with each pip. It is good to pay attention which lot size to use, so you do not wipe your account very fast if the price goes against you. Here is one more thing about leverage and lot size. Even you have leverage 1 to 500, which is called maximum available leverage, you are using different leverage with a different lot size. The connection between leverage and lot size is this. Actual leverage you are using on each trade is defined like this. Divide open position with account balance, and you will get leverage ratio. For example, in the case when I have open order with 0.3 lots, which is equal to 3,000, I will get actual leverage if I divide 3,000 with my account balance. That is 3,000 divided with $100, which is equal to 30. That means my actual leverage is 1 to 30. Now you see where is the connection between leverage and lot size. You have 2 leverage ratios. One is actual leverage you are using on each trade, and second one is maximum available leverage given by the broker. You can change actual leverage on each trade by selecting different lot size. And it is not advisable to use whole 1 to 500 leverage, because of high pip value, which can be bad if the market moves against you. This is it from today's lesson. Leave a comment below if you want to ask something, and subscribe so you get a notification when I publish more videos about leverage, which I'm preparing already. See you next time.